Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen. Uh, Last night I did something terribly wrong and now my laptop is not working properly. Something is broken. It's Linux Mint 19.1. So suppose I want to enter my password but it's not working, and in order to solve this we are going to use TimeShift. I hope everything goes right. So first things first, I have to shut this thing down. Then I'll turn it on again. I hit escape because that little one showed up there. So there are some options over here, they're not clear. So I guess I'll go with F9. Okay, so I've got this USB stick. So USB hard drive. Okay. I may wanna pause the video time to time. Okay, so we're in. Okay, so search for time shift. If it's there, we are lucky. Else we may need to reinstall things from the beginning. So okay, I'll just hit next. Okay, so yeah, this one is the latest one because it's 2019 January, 2nd January at 1600 hours. So I think I'm just going to hit the restore button. Okay, and now I guess I have to wait. I think I'll just pause the video because it looks like it's gonna take some time. Okay, so I almost thought that things were, you know, got stuck, but no, luckily it's going on, but it is gonna take a lot of time, so be patient about it, I guess. Okay, so we're back. It shows a restore snapshot, something like this. I guess I'll just select next. Okay, it looks like it's about to end or something. I'll just pause it again. Okay, it has finished. It says if the restored system fails to boot, then boot from the live CD or USB, install TimeShift and try restoring another snapshot. And close. Okay, looks like we're done. I guess I'll just restart things. Um, Okay, so yeah, looks like things worked out. We're back, and it's Linux Mint 19.1. So that's how we fixed a broken Linux system from the USB drive, bootable USB drive. That's it.